Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the main control board in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 6 screws, securing the upper rear access panel. Set the panel aside. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the control board. Then disconnect them. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the old board. To install the new control board, properly align it on the mounting brackets and thread the 4 screws to secure. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the board. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by sliding the tabs under the control panel. Then thread the center screw first to hold it in place. Replace the 5 additional screws to fully secure. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.